A saltwater pool. It sounds so natural, like the ocean, right? And healthier than chlorine, right? Don't be so sure. The truth is, a saltwater pool is a chlorine pool. While you put salt into the pool, it comes out of the generator as chlorine. The salt itself also has some serious downsides. For one, it's corrosive. When you put salt on roadways in the winter, you have potholes in the spring. The same thing happens when you put it in your pool. It eats away at your decking, your pool itself, and the expensive cells that are part of your very expensive saltwater generator. And if you've tried pouring saltwater on a plant, you know what happens. It kills vegetation, so the yard and plantings around a saltwater pool are at risk too. It's no wonder many retailers and maintenance crews have decided not to stock saltwater pool products or even work on them. If you want a more viable alternative to a highly chlorinated pool, there is one: Frog Fresh Mineral Water Sanitizing Systems. We developed Frog products because we agree with you. Chlorine stinks. It irritates skin, fades swimsuits, and damages surfaces. But when you start with our proprietary blend of fresh minerals, you cut the need for chlorine or bromine in half, from 1 to 3 parts per million to a low 0.5 to 1. That creates water that's cleaner, clearer, softer, and easier to maintain. So, don't let that appealing image of the ocean overshadow the truth about saltwater, or rather, chlorine pools. Imagine instead your family in cleaner, clearer, softer, easier, and far less chlorinated water, made possible by Frog Fresh Minerals. Learn more at frogproducts.com.